Hi y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and I'm trying to reach my goal of 100,000 subscribers, and I need you all to help me achieve that goal. Once again, thank you all for tuning to Mattie's Kitchen, and have a wonderful day.